Hey guys, it's Miss Allie from the Dream Center. Today we're going to be doing a science experiment. We're going to be doing some lime volcanoes. So in order to do this, you're going to need some dish soap, you're going to need some food coloring, you're going to need some baking soda, and you're going to need some craft sticks, or you could use pencils, and then you're going to need your limes. You could also use lemons as well. So I went ahead and cut my lemons, and I cut the bottoms of them as well so they could sit up. So I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to poke it just a little bit to kind of get the juice and the lime moving. I'm going to do it to this one as well. Okay. Now I'm just going to take some food coloring. I'm just going to use all the colors that are in here. Use some yellow, some green, and some red. Alright, then we're just going to add a thin layer of dish soap. Okay, and then for the eruption, we're going to use the baking soda. So we're just going to add some on there. And you can already see it bubbling up. Let's see if we can get some more out. Alright, and now I'm just going to take my pencil and poke it again to get some more. I'm going to do this one too. Look at that. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.